So the next part is to make the rollers. The steel spacer bushings I made earlier are going to serve as the base of the rollers. I cut the delrin to the appropriate lengths, and with this, we'll turn them into the roller. The dimensions I'm going for is 1.5 inches to the shoulder's 1/2 inch, and the diameter is 1.75 inches. To get the 1/2 inch shoulder, I'll touch off on the delrin. And I'll move the carriage in 1.5 inches, which will leave me with the 1/2 inch shoulder. Because my indicator can only go up to 1 inch, I'll have to do this in 2 steps. So I'll move in the 1 inch. I'll remove the indicator and move it out farther. Zero it out and come in the 1/2. The indicator will now act as my stop, but I'll also make a reference mark. Now I'm going to set up to bore out so I can fit the delrin onto the bushing. So I'll start with the center drill. Open it up with a 7/16. And we can start boring for a press fit. So I bored it out. I'm just going to give it a quick check with the bore gauge. I'll take the reading, zero that out, and I'll compare it to my bushing. So 7.5 thou. I'm going to try a little tighter. I'm going to give this one a shot at that. Prior I'd been doing 2 thousandths and part off. Now I can press the bushing in. I part off oversized so I can get it flush with the steel bushing. One more to go. So now I need to drill and tap for the 2 set screw holes, which are 90 degrees from each other. To do this, I set up my rotary table. I installed a 3-jaw scroll chuck so it allows me to change rollers quickly. Install the roller. Just like that. Now drill out our first hole. Now because everything's still in line, I installed a center so I can tap the hole. To index to the second location, I simply turn the handle until I get to 90 degrees. And continue the process until I get all of them done. So here's one set of the rollers mocked up, and it'll hold the barrels. Just like that.